Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new event and how you can claim the rewards from this event. So what you need to do is tap the events banner, tap the feature. As you can see, go to this new event, Hunting Operation Supply. You can collect this helmet token. Earn this token by completing some mission and exchange for the rewards. The top reward in this event is this AK-47 God Hunter. And you have to collect until 70 helmet token to get this epic weapon. And how you can collect this helmet? You can do this hunting operation period mission, like login for 15 days, kill 30 enemies with sniper in any mode, and so on. And also you can do this daily mission, like play one match, slide 10 times in any mode. So it's change every day, refreshing every day. Collect them all, collect the helmet, and get this free AK-47 God Hunter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.